All right, come on. What's up, y'all? We made it to Lake Greenwood. About to get after it. As you can see, it's a foggy day. I've seen some fish busting the top already, so I don't know if it's crappie, striper, or what it is, but it's all good. We are going to fish some shaky heads. We got chatterbait, jerkbait. We're going to try to get after it today. So y'all stick with us and see what happens.
Yeah, you get around them, they'll bite.
Yeah. So I've had 3 decent bites, but that's been it. There's one right there.
All right.
I got one.
We'll see you.
All right, man. Have a good one.
All right. Bye.
Maybe? No, take it in.
Little largemouth.
Stick your tongue in his mouth, see if he got a cat tongue.
Little fuck. Skip one under there while I'm here. Damn, this is gay. 5% chance of rain, dude. Oh, it's not. Spot another, dude. I'm catching them up. I'm catching some good ones today. Reel down on them, tighten your line up a little bit, and if you still feel them, send them home. Just hung up, dude.
Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna borrow y'all shit for a little bit.
Sorry, y'all.
We're just spot logging them all.
Look, it said thunderstorms likely to end around 11:30. There's one. We had it. We still got it.
A little bit better.
Yep. Come here, buddy. He was right up against that post. Ow. Nico rig, dude?
You have to, dude. God damn.
I'll hook you up.
put it on the open thing?
Yeah, just because it's so light, dude. If you want one, let me know. I'll hook you up, brother. Got some salt in it too. You can eat it or put it on your hook.
Take that wacky off, I guess. Right?
Yeah. It's not where it was supposed to go under the dock, but if I can get it back under that pontoon boat. I've been practicing for a long time. There he is. There he is.
How do I do that?
Got him. Oh, that's a decent one.
That's a decent.
Dude, I hope he has my fucking Ned rig, dude.
That's your shit, dude.
This one doesn't have it.
What does that mean? There's another one in there?
Yeah, there is. It's about 3 inches. Oh, there's one right there. There's a little bit, brother. Nope. Okay. Same thing. Been catching all day. It's 8.